How to do the OLL case 10 step by step. You are seeing the cube here. This case is formed by these 3 yellow squares and one up here, like a fish. One down here, one on the right side, 2 up here, and 1 on the left side. Now I'll show how to solve it. You have to move the right layer up. Now you go on the left side. Now you go down. Go on the left side again. Now you go down, move the front layer, go up and come back. Now you go up, do a double move and go down. Now I'll show it a little bit faster. Now I will do it a little bit faster. Let's do this. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents like this, and comment below if you liked and if you want more videos like this. I will wait you for the next contents. Take care.